Overtake obesity, overcome obesity, omit obesity. The prevalence of obesity in the United States between 2017 and 2018 was 42.4%. Obesity leads to things like heart disease and stroke, diabetes type 2, and various amounts of cancer, and these are all causes of premature death. In 2008, in medical, it cost the US $147 million. Obesity did. Heart disease is the #1 killer in the US. Now, who's to think that overindulging in food is something that could take yours or your loved one's life? That extra piece of cake is a sword stabbing through your chest. We really just need healthier lifestyles. We need health education. There's things that we do, like we order our groceries and have them delivered to our door, or go through the line to get coffee. The social interaction and getting out and walking and just being outside is so low that it's really detrimental to our health. Now, I've done my research on the CDC website, advisory.com, Peak Performance, as well as the University of Washington website. A lot of people, they want to lose weight or, be more healthy, but where do we start? Well, according to Maslow, before you can start on self-actualization, which is basically you being your prime self, you have some other needs you need to take care of. You have physiological needs, such as food, air, and water. You have security needs, like safety and shelter. You have self-esteem needs, like respect and feeling appreciated. And you have your social needs, like feeling loved by somebody else. You cannot go on to self-actualization until these needs are met. So, how do we go towards this? Well, for me, I had my bottom of my pyramid taken care of, and I was 300 pounds. And through working on self-fulfillment and really just working towards a healthier lifestyle, I've made my way down to 180 pounds. Now, I feel so thankful for that, and I am not better than anybody, but I just am here. I would love to help you be able to be inspired to be able to do this. Now, you need to take time for this self-fulfillment. So, you need to take out time to find what you're going to eat. You need to go shopping for what you're going to eat. And you need to schedule time to cook, because eating healthy is not quick by any means. You need exercise. And I know, exercise, right. Well, I started out not enjoying exercise myself. But after about 8 months of exercising, I cannot get enough. I've been exercising for about 13 months now, but it just took about 8 months for me to get up to that point of just absolutely loving it. I am not me without my nightly bike ride. It is my time for myself. It is my time to relax and debrief. And it is just so good for not only your physical health, but your mental health to just get out there and exercise. Now, when we think about our children, what would you like to give to your children? Obesity is like a contagious disease. Our habits that we do to cause obesity are passed around to our children and to people around us. And we want our children to have the best start. If they're obese or overweight during school age, not only is that a detriment to their physical health, but their social well-being. I have been bigger my whole entire life, and school is brutal. That is not something that I want anybody else to have to go through. Not only that, diabetes too is on the rise for children. And the more overweight and obese we're getting, the more type 2 diabetes in children we're going to have. So we can choose to fill our children with sugar and TV, or we can choose to fill our children with home cooked meals and outdoor activities. It all it all sounds so simple, and I realize that it's not. But let's just take a moment. Let's close our eyes and picture our lives. Do you see yourself with body aches on the couch, eating pizza? Or are you sitting at the family dinner table with your family, enjoying a healthy meal, and afterwards, instead of hitting the TV, you're going out for a walk or just doing some sort of nightly activity that's not sedentary? There's something that's really hard to remember, but it is absolutely so important. We need to eat to live. We cannot live to eat. Now, I'm just asking you if you can just try this for me. Let's make two small changes. Let's take away something that is harming us, like soda, chips, or fast food. And let's add something in, like being outside or even a 5-minute walk. We all start somewhere. Is today your day to start?